Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 18th, 2025, and we're diving into XPENG's recently released fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. XPENG, a leading Chinese smart electric vehicle company, has just released its unaudited financial results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2024. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. XPENG reported a quarterly revenue of RMB 16.11 billion, which is a 23.4% increase from the same period last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
XPENG's revenue growth is impressive, driven by a significant increase in vehicle deliveries. The company also improved its gross margin to 14.4% for the quarter, up from 6.2% a year ago. This indicates effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
And how did they perform over the full year?
For the full year 2024, XPENG's revenue reached 40.87 billion, a 33.2% increase year over year. The full-year gross margin also improved significantly to 14.3%, up from just 1.5% in 2023. This reflects their strategic focus on scaling operations and enhancing profitability.
Vehicle deliveries and market expansion. XPENG's vehicle deliveries have been a key driver of their revenue growth. Can you tell us more about their performance in this area?
Absolutely. XPENG delivered 91,507 vehicles in Q4 2024, a 52.1% increase from the same period in 2023. For the full year, deliveries reached 190,068 vehicles, up 34.2% year over year. This growth is supported by their expanding sales network, which now includes 690 stores across 226 cities and a robust charging infrastructure with 1,920 stations.
That's quite an expansion. How does this position them in the market?
XPENG is well positioned to capture a larger market share in the smart EV industry, both in China and globally. Their strategic investments in infrastructure and technology are paying off, enabling them to meet growing consumer demand effectively.
Financial performance and losses. Despite the revenue growth, XPENG reported a net loss for the quarter and the full year. Can you break down these figures for us?
Sure. XPENG's net loss for Q4 2024 was RMB 1.33 billion, slightly lower than the same period last year. On a non-GAAP basis, which excludes certain expenses, the net loss was RMB 1.39 billion. For the full year, the net loss was RMB 5.79 billion, with a non-GAAP net loss of RMB 5.55 billion. These losses are primarily due to high R&D and SG&A expenses as the company invests in future growth.
What does this mean for their financial health?
While the losses are significant, XPENG's strong cash position of RMB 41.96 billion provides a buffer to support their strategic initiatives. The focus on cost management and improving margins is crucial for their path to profitability.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, what strategic initiatives is XPENG focusing on?
XPENG is heavily investing in AI and autonomous driving technologies, particularly L3 and L4 capabilities. They recently announced a partnership with Volkswagen to build one of the largest super-fast charging networks in China, which will enhance their competitive edge.
And what are their projections for 2025?
For Q1 2025, XPENG expects vehicle deliveries between 91,000 and 93,000, a substantial increase from last year. They also project revenues between RMB 15 billion and RMB 15.7 billion, reflecting strong market demand and their strategic positioning.
Key takeaways. In summary, XPENG has demonstrated robust revenue growth and significant improvements in gross margins despite ongoing net losses. Their strategic focus on technology and market expansion positions them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
XPENG's performance is a testament to their strategic execution and market potential. Investors should keep an eye on their technological advancements and partnerships, which are key to their long-term success.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on XPENG's performance in the comments below. Until next time.